Okay, so today's lesson isn't a lesson, it is actually an assessment. So I think the next thing in your folder should be Assessment 12. We're going to do a quick test on everything we've been practicing over the last 5 lessons. Sorry, I bumped the camera. And a little bit before that, just to review. This is only one-sided, so you only have to do this side A, but I'm going to give you some clues and read through it with you. You do not, I'm not going to do a lesson for this one though. If you want to pause it after each problem and do each problem with me, you can do that, or you can just listen through the whole thing, excuse me, and go back and do it yourself. It's totally up to you. Number 1 says, write a number sentence for the story, write the answer with a label. Daniel had 4 nickels, so we know what a nickel's worth, 5 cents, right? Daniel had 4 nickels. Roseanne gave him 5 more nickels. How many nickels does he have now? So he started with 4 nickels. Roseanne gave him 5 more. How many does he have now? I want you to put that in a sentence. Your answer, we're talking money here. So what I want you to do is, oh, no, wait. They didn't say how much is it worth. So I just want you to make sure you put your label on your answer. How many nickels does he have altogether? Because we're talking about nickels. Number 2, number the number line. So start at 0, and I want you to count by ones on this one. Put a point at 3, label it A. Put a point at 6, label it B. So after you get your number line numbered, find 3 and label it A, find 6 and label it B. How much money is this? So if it's hard to recognize these by the pictures, you can always find page 5 in your journal. Pull it out, match up the pictures. I can tell you there's 3 different coins here. So add up all the dimes, add up all the nickels, add up all the pennies, figure out how much money it is. You can label it with either cents or dollar and decimal point, dollar sign decimal point. Either way will be correct, but you have to have one of those since it's money. Number 4, circle the largest number. Circle the largest number, put an X on the smallest number, and write the numbers in order from smallest to largest. So we're going to put a circle on the largest number. We're putting an X on the smallest number, and we're going from smallest to largest in order on those 3 numbers. Fill in the missing numbers on this piece of the 100 number chart. Now, you will notice this is only a piece of the number chart. They're not giving you a whole row, right? So pull out your number chart. I'm fine with you using it. If you don't want to, you don't have to, but it's on page 1 in your math journal if you want to use it. Remember, when we go side to side on a number chart, we count by ones. When we go up and down on a number chart, we're counting by tens. Okay? And then these last 3 are all just subtraction problems. They're not going to switch up the signs on you. So just do those correctly and you will get credit for all 4 of those. Let me know if you have any questions. Take a picture, hand it in when you're done, and have a great afternoon.